Okay, you guys, today is September 7th or 8th. Now I'm ready to get all these unnecessary weeds or grass or different type of grass or whatever it is. See that patch, those patches. I don't think it's crabgrass. I think it's a different type of grass, but guess what? I don't like it. If you look at how much does it cost to remove 20 trees, then you know that this is the yard that had 20 trees in it. So it's going to take me maybe a couple more seasons to get this yard to its proper construction. Okay, you guys, so what I am going to say is it came out pretty nice, besides this little part that we have to fix up. But we have some patches. The grass is still growing in. About to give it another cut. This will be the second cut. And let's see what it looks like after the cut. All right, you guys, we're looking pretty good so far. It's coming out pretty nice. All right, let me get to the rest of it. You can see a little bit of filling that needs to be in, but I'll do that on the next overseeding next season. Well, springtime. It's almost wintertime now. All right, you guys, we are done to cut. And I can honestly say it's looking pretty good. We got these little clovers that's coming up. I might throw some weed and feed down and see, just to test out a product. All right, so this is the good area where I said it grew the best at, and it looks really, really, really good. All right, check out the rest of the yard. Right here's area we got to work on. All right, you guys. So it's coming in pretty nice. Still see that grass is still coming in. So some patches that need to be repatched, but for the most part, I think the lawn leveling project went good. All right. Now, if you ask me a question on, how your lawn is so green, well, I give you one secret ingredient, and it's called Milorganite. So I used Milorganite 2 weeks ago. And Milorganite will definitely turn your lawn green, and it will not put too much nitrogen on your grass. So other than that, that's it.